Well, my name is Vic Larson, and I'm the principal of Westmore Elementary. And today we're doing our third annual food drive. And at Westmore, we believe in being a community school, meaning that we support the students at all levels. We don't only focus on the academics of teaching reading, writing, and math, but we also make sure our students and their families are well taken care of over the 2-week break. And so today we're putting together over 160 meal kits that will go home for the 2-week break, and we'll be supporting over 500 different individuals over this time. We're excited to do this, and everything you see behind me is because of our generous donors throughout the community, from different members and organizations that have come together to make sure that our students are well fed and taken care of over the 2-week break. All of this started 3 years ago when I was first assigned to be the principal here at Westmore. And about a week and a half before our Christmas break, a student came up to me and said, "Hey, Mr. Larson, will there be any extra food for the break?" And I thought, oh my gosh, I didn't even think of doing something like that. So I made a post on my social media saying, man, I wish I would have thought of that. And before I knew, I was getting floods of people contacting me saying, I would love to help. What can I do to help your school over that break? And before I knew it, our very first annual food drive started. And really, it hasn't been able to be successful without our community outreach coordinator. And so Allison, this is her first year here at Westmore as our outreach coordinator, and she's doing a fantastic job.
A lot of my responsibility is bringing the community into the school and making sure that our kids have the resources they need. One of the big ones that I deal with is food. So in these boxes, we have all the essentials for the holiday. We have peanut butter, we have jam, we have ramen noodles, all things that the families can cook and prepare easily, and also the kids at home. We have fresh produce of apples, oranges, and potatoes, and then bread and tortillas, along with rice and all of the other easy grab food like granola bars for the kids to munch on.
One of my jobs is to do the community outreach. And for our officers, this is a good time to get them into a school, have them do some community service, interact with some of the faculty and some of the students, and make connections with the community.
The biggest part of all of this that warms my heart is just the call to action. So all I did was put together a sign up genius with my intern Rachel, and we sent it out to the community. And it wasn't just people that attend our school. It got sent out on Facebook and on social medias, and people filled it out, and the need was met. We got a generous stipend from Alpine Foundation, and we didn't have to use any of it just because of the overwhelming generosity of this community.
And it started through, again, one student asking that question of, hey, Mr. Larson, is there any extra food for the 2-week break? And it's blossomed to this amazing enterprise that you see here that's going on behind me.